Did you know that 1 out of every 4 Nissan Frontiers on the road has over 200,000 miles? And some are pushing 400,000, even 500,000 miles. Pathfinders, Rogues, even Altimas are hitting these numbers in normal driving conditions. But it doesn't happen by accident. Long-term reliability doesn't just come from regular oil changes or checking fluids. There's a whole strategy behind it. And here in this video, I'll walk you through 13 real-world service intervals and driving techniques that will make your Nissan last over 500,000 miles without blowing thousands on repairs. Keep watching, because in the end, I'll share driving tips from the highest mileage Nissan drivers I know. Let's get into it. Number 1. Change oil every 5,000 miles. This is the foundation. If you mess this up, everything else is damage control. Yes, Nissan says you can wait 7,500 or even 10,000 miles between oil changes, but only under ideal conditions. Daily highway driving, clean environments, and perfect warm-up times. Most drivers don't qualify. The real-life rule? Change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Why 6 months? Even if you don't drive much, fuel and moisture can degrade oil, leading to sludge, varnish, and stuck piston rings. And if you make frequent short trips, your oil gets contaminated faster. Also, always replace the oil filter. Clean oil through a dirty filter is like fresh water through a sponge full of mud. Doesn't help much. Use Nissan-approved synthetic oil, or at least stick to APISN Plus or SP rated oils. Mobil 1, Castrol Edge, or Nissan OEM oil are all solid picks. For DIers, an oil catch pan, filter wrench, and funnel are all you need. Total cost? Under $50 for most Nissans. And don't chase exotic oils that cost $90 a jug. You're not racing, you're preserving. Bottom line, oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Skimp here, and nothing else you do will matter. I've seen VQ engines with under 100,000 miles completely destroyed because someone stretched oil changes to 15,000 miles. Don't be that person. Think about it this way. You're spending maybe $200 a year on oil changes. That's less than $20 a month to protect a $5,000 engine. That's the best insurance policy you'll ever buy for your Nissan. Number 2. Replace CVT transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. People either obsess over this or ignore it completely. Both are wrong. Nissan's CVT fluid is labeled lifetime, but that just means it won't kill your transmission under warranty. We're aiming for 500,000, not 100,000. Here's what the pros do. On non-hybrids, change the fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. On AWD models, stay closer to 30,000 miles. Don't flush it, just do a simple drain and fill. That removes enough dirty fluid without shocking the system or loosening internal debris. Why? Because your CVT fluid doesn't just lubricate, it controls hydraulic pressure, engages the belt system, and keeps everything cool. When it breaks down, performance suffers, the belt wears out, and valve bodies clog. Use Nissan NS2 or NS3 CVT fluid. Always use the correct spec. Don't rely on universal CVT fluids. Pro tip: after refilling, drive for 5 to 10 minutes and recheck the fluid level on level ground. Some Nissans require a specific fluid temp range for accurate reading. Don't cheap out here. A new CVT costs $5,000 plus. A drain and fill, about $150 to $200. Here's something else most people don't know. If you tow anything, even occasionally, cut that interval down to 25,000 miles. Towing generates extra heat, and heat is the enemy of CVT longevity. I've seen CVTs fail at 80,000 miles because the owner towed a small trailer twice a year and never changed the fluid. Don't let that be you. Number 3. Never skip coolant replacement. Most Nissan drivers wait too long on this one. Nissan Long Life coolant lasts longer than conventional green stuff, but not forever. After 5 years or 50,000 miles, it starts to turn acidic, attacking gaskets, O-rings, and aluminum surfaces. The most common failure from skipped coolant changes? Water pumps and external head gasket leaks. This is especially risky on VQ and QR engines. Once the coolant gets corrosive, the pump seal breaks down, and the next thing you know, you're leaking coolant into the combustion chamber or exhaust. What to do? Flush and refill with Nissan-approved coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Check the coolant overflow tank every month. Low levels can signal leaks. Use a spill-free funnel if DIYing to avoid air bubbles during refill. Coolant flush equals $120. Cylinder head job equals $3,000 plus easy math. And here's another thing. Don't mix coolant types. If your Nissan came with green coolant, stick with green. If it came with pink or orange, use that. Mixing coolants can cause chemical reactions that create sludge and block passages. I've seen radiators completely clogged because someone topped off green coolant with orange. Keep it simple. Use what the manual says. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice for Nissan owners. Number 4. Service brake and power steering fluid. 2 fluids. Most people forget until they start hearing squeals or feeling mushy brakes. Brake fluid. It absorbs moisture over time. Even if you drive just 5,000 miles a year, water can contaminate the system, corrode ABS sensors, and lead to internal rusting. Replace every 3 to 5 years depending on the climate. In humid areas, stay closer to 3. Use .3 or .4 fluid, whichever your Nissan manual specifies. Power steering fluid. If your Nissan has hydraulic steering, the fluid breaks down and collects metal shavings over time. This can damage the pump or rack seals. Change it every 50,000 to 70,000 miles using compatible fluid. Use a fluid extractor or turkey baster for easy DIY top-ups between full changes. Fresh brake fluid also improves pedal feel. If your brake pedal feels soft or spongy, old fluid might be the culprit. Replacing it can restore that firm, confident pedal response you had when the car was new. Number 5. Replace all filters on time. Let's be honest, filters aren't exciting, but dirty filters choke your car's airflow and contaminate everything else. Cabin air filter, change once a year. A dirty one restricts HVAC airflow, stresses your blower motor, and makes your AC feel weak. Engine air filter, replace every 12,000 miles or 1 year. A clogged one forces the engine to run rich, burning more fuel and fouling spark plugs early. Fuel filter. Most newer Nissans have non-serviceable in-tank filters, but if you drive an older model, replace it every 60,000 to 90,000 miles. A clogged fuel filter starves your engine and strains your fuel pump. Use OEM or top-rated filters. A $12 part can save you thousands if it prevents contaminated fuel or debris from wrecking your system. Think of filters as the first line of defense for your engine. They catch problems before they become expensive repairs. Spending $50 a year on filters is nothing compared to a $2,000 fuel pump replacement or a $4,000 engine cleaning job. Number 6. Rotate your tires and check alignment. Simple tire care equals massive suspension savings. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles every time you change your oil. This ensures even wear and prevents suspension strain from uneven tread patterns. Also, get your alignment checked once a year, especially if you've hit potholes. Your car pulls to one side. Your steering wheel isn't centered. Misaligned wheels don't just ruin tires. They wreck bushings, CV axles, tie rods, and even wheel bearings over time. Check your tire pressure monthly too. Underinflated tires wear faster and stress the suspension. Wheel alignment costs $100. Fixing a worn-out suspension? Try $1,500 plus. Number 7. Use OEM spark plugs. Spark plugs may seem small, but skipping them can kill your coils, waste fuel, and even damage pistons. Nissan engines typically use iridium plugs that last 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Some V6s may call for 60,000-mile intervals. Never cheap out here. Use Denso or NGKOEM spec plugs, whatever came in the car. Aftermarket alternatives may not fit heat ranges exactly, which affects combustion timing. And here's a pro tip: even if you're not at the mileage limit, replace them at 10 years. Plugs can seize inside aluminum heads if left too long, turning a 20-minute job into a nightmare. Also, inspect ignition coil boots when changing plugs. Cracks or oil contamination, replace them to avoid misfires down the road. Use dielectric grease on plug tips to prevent arcing and ease future removal. Number 8. Inspect your cooling fans and belts. Two unsung heroes of long-lasting Nissans: cooling fans. They help the condenser and radiator dump heat. If they stop spinning, you'll see AC issues first, then potential engine overheating. Test your fans once a year. Turn the AC on max, open the hood, and make sure both fans are spinning. Serpentine belt drives your alternator, AC compressor, water pump, and more. If it slips or cracks, you'll lose systems fast. Inspect it every 50,000 miles. Replace between 60,000 to 100,000 miles depending on wear. Timing belt, if applicable. Older engines use a timing belt. Replace every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If it snaps, you risk bent valves and a destroyed engine. Always use quality belt. Bando or OEM Nissan are reliable choices. Number 9. Change differential fluid. If you drive a Frontier, Pathfinder, Armada, or any AWD Nissan, this is for you. The front and rear differentials use heavy gear oil that breaks down with age and shear. Change the fluid every 30,000 miles, especially the first chain. That flushes out metal shavings from the break-in period. Use the correct spec, GL5, or whatever Nissan recommends. Signs you're overdue: humming or whirring at speed, leaks at seal, difficulty engaging 4 WDDIers. Will need a fluid pump, breaker bar, and crush washer. Always loosen the fill plug before draining. These components are rugged, but repairs cost $2,000 plus. Fluids? Maybe $60. Number 10. Stop ignoring small leaks or check engine light. Here's how most $5,000 repairs start: with a tiny leak or a light on the dash that someone ignored for now. If you see oil spots, coolant drips, smell fuel, or your CEL is glowing, check it. Don't assume it's nothing. A basic OBD2 scanner costs $25 and can tell you if it's a loose gas cap or something serious. Use it. Most Nissan engines are incredibly tolerant, but neglect leads to snowball problems. A simple PCV valve failure can lead to a clogged intake, a stuck EGR valve, and burned oil seals. Have your car fully inspected once a year. Use a flashlight to check for leaks around the valve cover, timing chain cover, or oil pan. Catching things early is the easiest way to avoid major repairs later. Number 11. Keep your battery and electrical system healthy. Your battery might seem minor, but it powers everything. Most Nissan batteries last 3 to 5 years, but I've seen well-maintained ones push 8 years. Test your battery annually with a multimeter. If it reads below 12.4 volts, it's time for a replacement. Also, keep your battery terminals clean. Corrosion blocks the connection and can leave you stranded. Grab a wire brush, scrub the terminals twice a year, and you'll avoid most battery-related issues. Number 12. Use quality part, not cheap knockoffs. If you're serious about hitting 500,000, here's a golden rule: use quality part. I've seen too many Nissans come into the shop with problems caused by cheap aftermarket part. They may look the same, but they don't always work the same. OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts fit right, perform the way they should, and last longer. Now, I get it. Quality parts cost more up front, but they save you money in the long run by preventing repeat repairs and damage caused by low-quality material. When your goal is 500,000 miles, you don't want to cut corners on a $20 part. Number 13. Keep detailed maintenance record. Here's something high-mileage Nissan owners swear by. Keep records of everything. Every oil change, every repair, every part replaced. Write it down. Why? Because when you're at 300,000 miles and trying to figure out when you last changed the CVT fluid, you'll have the answer instantly. Records also help with resale value. A buyer seeing documented maintenance is way more likely to pay top dollar for your high-mileage Nissan. Use an app, a notebook, or even a spreadsheet. Just track it all. Future, you will thank present you. Driving habits that help you hit 500,000. Here's what the highest mileage Nissan owners have in common. They warm up their engines gently. No revving after a cold start. Let oil circulate first. They don't ride the brake. Smooth driving keeps pads, rotors, and calipers alive longer. They keep record, whether on an app or a notebook. They track every service. They use cruise control wisely. Great for engines, but careful on hilly roads with CVT. They fix little things before they grow. Squeaks, clunks, or smell. They investigate. They drive consistently. Fewer cold starts, fewer short trips, and no flooring it when the engine's not warm. Do this, and your Nissan will reward you with smooth, reliable miles for decades. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.